How to set Spotify song as color tune. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to set Spotify song as color tune. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device. Once opened, further open the song you want to set as your color tune. Now, tap on the three dots you see on top of your screen, and in the menu that appears, as you can see, there is no option to set the song as your color tune. So, go back and then go ahead and add the song to your playlist by tapping on the Add to Playlist option you see there, and either create a new playlist or add to the existing playlist. Once added, tap on your library option and further open the playlist you just created, and you will see the download button. Tap on the download button and make sure that you will need a premium account in order to download songs from Spotify. So once you have downloaded the song with your premium account, you can simply go ahead and set the song as your color tune. So, this is how you can set Spotify song as color tune. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.